Now we're going to open this guy. And this is basically the same thing. So now let's open it. Oh my gosh, it was so hard to open. Let's open Army crate first. Like as always, we open the Army crate. But always we get the dynamite, but this time we got this balloon. Mesmerizing. So now we're gonna open this and I can't open. Let's try. No, that's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. Did that flame there by itself? Say yes.
Yes.
So this is him. Why did these grocery gangs always have a hole in their head? Like this. Now let's open the other one. Chompies. This is Chompy. So I made his name up. It is Chompy. And you're supposed to put this in his hand. And he did not know how to hold it. That's not supposed to be how he holds it. We got a genie for a soup. And you can't hold it? Oh, that was a game, grocery game. I did not see that. And he has his accessory, which is a spoon for the soup. He has a spoon for his soup. Look. So that's finished. He also got a spoon. These grocery gangs are so squishy, so their holes can hold very much. Okay, this is that. This is that. This is that. Why are you not talking that much?
I'm holding cameras and a lot of things on my head. Easy now.
Let's put it
And actually I'm sending messages as well.
Really?
Yeah, mommy is coming.
Oh. So this is the third Army crate. So now let's open this.